Hey guys, so we got in our first couple parts for the XT350 project. Let's see what we got. There's lots more on the way. I kind of don't know if I want to tell you guys everything that I'm going to do to it, because then what's the fun of watching? Looks like we have an ignition coil. So I was riding this bike for like the first week, maybe I rode it 2 times or something, and went to go for a ride with a buddy and no spark. So I was riding fine the day before, put a new spark plug in, nothing. So new coil. Let's see what else we got. Looks like a seat cover. New strap for the seat. Look at that. Yamaha. Looks pretty nice. So I'll give you guys the prices on all of this and what the breakdown is of so far I've spent on the bike. So I bought a used throttle tube off of eBay. I looked everywhere for this here, could not find them anywhere. So mine had a gouge out of it, like right here. Can you see that? There we go. Had a gouge out of it right here, and was sticking. When the grip was over it, it would stick. You'd pull the throttle and it would stick in place. So figured I'd just get a new used one. Looks like this is off of an 88. So hopefully everything's the same. I assume it is. From what it looked like, pretty much everything was the same for these bikes. So all the way from the 80s through the 90s. So yeah, here's that. And alright guys, sorry about the wind if you can hear it, but maybe some of my XT350 guys can tell me what size the seat bolt is. No, this is not the seat bolt. So this is the seat bolt. But tell me what size in thread pitch the seat bolts are. It doesn't have any. And maybe you can tell me what size the gas tank bolt that holds that on is, if you guys could. And then I am going to swap in that coil, so I'll let you guys watch while I do that. Also, does anybody know what goes in this hole right here on the carb? Any of the XT350 guys maybe could tell me what's supposed to be there. Thanks guys. actually on the XT350 page told me to do this to clean up. Something else for the XT350 guys. Hey, what is supposed to connect to here? Obviously it's some kind of relay, it looks like, I'm guessing. Can you guys tell me what exactly, just in case I need to swap this out in the future? It does look a little weird with this tied up to the frame right here, but it's better than melting it. So as you guys can see, somebody's just put some gasket maker on this. It leaks a little bit of oil out of this gasket, so I will be replacing probably at minimum the top end gaskets, at maximum all the engine gaskets. Alright guys, so we got the coil completely installed. Let's go ahead and throw the seat back on for now and see if she starts up now that we swapped out the coil. Our coil works. Might be burning a little oil. You guys can hear that. That sounds normal to you, or if it sounds like Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check us out on Instagram down in the description. Thanks.